Hello everyone, I was sent this product from Grace and Stella to check out and I'm so grateful because I've been wanting to try these eye masks for a super long time now. I've tested out quite a few different eye masks over the recent weeks and these are by far my favorite. Firstly, I'm obsessed with this box. How adorable is this? It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes, and you guys, that statement could not be more true. As soon as I put these on, I was just in awe of how cool, refreshing, and hydrating they felt on my face. These are quite goopy, so don't drop them like I did when you're opening up the package. They're also very thick and you can tell how high quality they are. They do not feel like they're going to rip or fall apart. There's no strong scent to these at all. They just feel super natural and cooling. They just feel like you're putting a nice cold glass of water on your eyes. This package comes with 24 pairs and I cannot wait to use every last one of them. All you do is put them on, leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes to work their magic, and when you're done, you don't even need to rinse off your face. You can actually just rub in the remaining serum and dispose of the eye masks. I'm gonna go ahead and highly recommend these eye masks from Grace and Stella.